Okay, hey guys, we just bought from Big Mama, and we're gonna try it. We're gonna do the Biscoff. Yeah, we're gonna try the Biscoff pudding first, and then, you know, we'll review it and the rest. Presentation.
10 out of 10.
It looks too good.
Is it good? It's good?
Wait,
Let's try.
it's actually really good. That, I rate that a 10. A 10.
That is a
10. Okay. Making a mess.
That's good.
Okay. Now we're gonna do.
Wait, sorry.
That's good. Okay. Now we're gonna do the fried Oreo.
That is good.
10 out of 10. Okay.
Is that?
She did her big one in that kitchen. She don't play.
This is good.
Everything so far been good. Okay. Now we got the grapes. They so cute. Okay. Where's it at? Ready? Oh shoot.
Come on, people.
It's good though.
This is good though.
My favorite?
The banana pudding is good.
The Oreos is good too, but like these
Y'all need to
ones,
go cop for Brie. This stuff good as hell.
Chopper Brie.